In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint sticky note in just 10 seconds. This is a quick and effective way to enhance your presentations by adding a personal touch or highlighting key points. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have the program installed, make sure to get it ready before following along. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation you'd like to enhance with a sticky note. Ready? Great. Now let's move to the next step. Locate the Insert tab on the toolbar at the top of your PowerPoint window. The Insert tab is your gateway to all sorts of elements you can add to your slides, from images and text boxes to shapes and charts. In this instance, we'll be focusing on shapes. Click on the Shape option. This is where we'll begin crafting our sticky note. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see a variety of shapes you can choose from. For this, select the rectangle shape, which will serve as the base for our sticky note. Now click and drag on your slide to draw the rectangle. You can make it any size that fits your need, but typically a small square works well for a sticky note effect. Once you've drawn the rectangle, it'll appear on your slide, ready for the next step. Here comes a handy shortcut. Press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This cuts the shape from your slide. Don't worry, we're going to paste it right back with a twist. Once you've cut the shape, right-click anywhere on the slide. In the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Paste as Picture and select it. Now our rectangle is no longer just a shape, it's an image. With your rectangle image selected, go to the Picture Format tab that's now visible in the toolbar. This tab provides plenty of options to style your picture just the way you like it. Next, find the Picture Style drop-down menu. Click it to reveal a selection of styles. Here, choose the angled style that features a white frame border. This gives our rectangle the appearance of a note that's slightly lifted off the page. Finally, we need to tweak the border. Click on Picture Border in the toolbar, and from the drop-down menu, select No Outline. This removes the border, completing the look of a casual sticky note right on your slide. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a sticky note to your PowerPoint presentation, making your details stand out more effectively and engaging with your audience in a dynamic way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy PowerPoint tips.